Hello, welcome back to our channel where we're going to be making a strawberry kiwi smoothie today. So our ingredients are going to include 1/4 teaspoon of flax seeds, 1.5 fresh kiwi, a 1/2 cup of water, 2 cups of non-fat Greek yogurt, plain, or you can get honey Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of pure honey, and 1.5 cups of fresh strawberries. Now you can add a few more strawberries to your liking if that's good for you, or if you want to substitute the honey, you can always use another liquid sweetener. All right, so we're going to use our Food Network blender, and we're going to start adding our ingredients for our smoothie. And if you find that your smoothie is too thick, you can always add a few ice cubes to your smoothie or a little bit more water. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of honey. All right, and so we're going to add our water. And 1/4 teaspoon of flaxseed. Now you can find flaxseed for a reasonable price at Aldi's. You can also use chia seeds. Now if you use chia seeds, I would suggest using 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Okay, so our blender already has the smoothie option, so we're going to go ahead and press that. So it is finished. As you can see that there's just a little bit left on the sides here. So I'm just going to go ahead and I am going to send it through the cycle one more time. it is done, and we're just going to make sure that it's nice and blended. All right, let's take a look. Oh, it looks pretty good. Okay, we're going to pour us a cup and see what it looks like. See how it turned out. Oh, yes, it looks good. It looks good. All right, so if you want to see more smoothies from myself, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos on how to make delicious smoothies. Thank you.